Good morning children. In this video we are going to study about chapter number 9 decimals. Children, here you are seeing three boxes. First box is empty, a complete picture. In the second box, this plain square has been divided into 10 equal parts. Okay, so let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now again these 10 lines are being again divided into 100 boxes. Now these are 10 parts. This 10 parts again further divided into 100 parts. Okay. So children, in scale we can see 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. We say 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. This is the scale, children. So from the 0 to 1 it is 1 centimeter. Again from 1 to 2 it is 1 more centimeter. So from 0 to 1, next 2 centimeters. If we want to draw 2 centimeters line, we will take point here and start drawing till 2. Okay. Then it is named as 2 centimeters. Okay. So here children, each box is 1 centimeters. 1 centimeter. So in this 1 centimeter, because actually 1 centimeter means it has to come little bigger, two boxes 1 centimeter, but due to space, okay, it is made into small. So this we will consider as 1 centimeter. So in this 1 centimeter, 10 small lines will be there. In between two small lines, the distance is measured in millimeters. So in 1 centimeter, 10 mm, 10 millimeters are there. Okay. Now 1 mm, how many centimeters? 1 mm equal to, now see, 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. If we want 1 mm, this 10 goes this side, it will become 1 centimeter. This is in numerator now. So when it goes to the other side, it will come to the denominator place. You know what is numerator and denominator? So 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Children, here 1 by 10 means out of 10 parts, 1 part. Okay. Now, in the third picture what we have seen, it has been divided into 100 equal parts. So it is 1 part equal to 1 by 100. Now children, suppose if we take a measurement 3 centimeters and 5 mm, we have to represent like this. 3 centimeters is written as normal 3 and mm is written as 3 by 10. Sorry, 5 by 10. 5 mm is written as 5 by 10. Okay. So because it is 5 parts out of 10 parts. Have you understood? It is 3 centimeters means 3 boxes, and out of 10 it is 5 because it is mm. Now children, we can also write this in the decimal number. This fraction, we know that it is a mixed fraction, okay, because the whole number and a fraction. This can be written as decimal number, it is 3.5. Now whole part is 3, point is decimal point, After decimal point, the number which is there is called as decimal part. Decimal is a point which separates the whole number part and fraction part, that is the decimal part. Now children, this point which is there, the decimal point, it will separate the whole number and the decimal part. Okay, now we are going to see the decimal place value chart. Okay, in this children, I want to explain to you very clearly. Now whatever the numbers we write, suppose if we are writing 351, it is the whole number. It is a whole number, right? And this is the decimal point. And after that, if we are writing 42, children, we should not call it as 42, but we should call it as 42. Okay, so this is the decimal part, this is the whole number part. Okay, now we are going to see the place value chart. This is ones place, this is tens, and this is hundreds. Now this is the decimal point. After the decimal point, we have directly tens, then hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, like this the place value go on. And left side also, after 100 it is 1000, 10,000, we all know, right? This is the place values children. Now we will see, this is the decimal point. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Right side children, THS will be added to the name. Tenths, hundreds, thousands. By seeing THS, we should understand that it is written after the decimal point. So first place will be tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Now we are going to see Brain Booster 9.1. Write the place value of the underlined digits. A, 324.75. So what is the decimal, place value? Write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. So for this, what is the place value? It is nothing but 20, because it is in tens place. Next is, this is ones, tens, hundreds. The value of 9 in ones place is 9. In the same way, ones, tens, hundreds children. So how to write? 1 in hundreds place is nothing but 100. Now children, we will go to the decimal part. This is directly tens, hundreds, thousands. So if it is in tens place, it is 5 by 10. Okay. Children, here I want to make it clear. See, this is in ones place, so write the number and multiply with 100. Children, for the whole number, we will multiply the place value. That means we will write the digit 1 and into, because it is in hundreds place, into 100. For the decimal part, we will divide. So 5 into, now it is 5 by, because it is in tens place, 5 by 10. If it is in, now it is tens, hundreds, thousands. Now it is in hundreds place, so 2 by 100. Okay, did you understand, ma? Now we are going to see the second sum. Draw beads for the following decimals on abacus. Now, so we have ones place. What is in ones place? First write the values, place values, ones, tens, hundreds. After the decimal point, directly tens, hundreds, thousands. Now what is in ones place? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is in tens place? 2. 1, 2. Hundreds place? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tenths place. Here children, small letter is used, lowercase letter for decimal part, and whole number is given capital letters. Okay, now tens is 1. Next hundreds, no number. So 1000 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this children, we need to complete this. Write it neatly in the notebook. I'll send you the notes also. Thank you children.